Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a new domain to cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net. If you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So you have your account settings where you can go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully you can get started setting up cPanel on your personal computer. So once you have set everything up and it's running, it's going to look like this is your dashboard where you're going to go ahead and be able to access your email, to your files, databases, and everything that you need. As you can see, one of the last options right here is the domains section. So basically guys, you're going to go and be able to manage your domains right here from these two sections. You have your add-on domains and you have your domains that you can manage. So open up the domain section right here, and basically as you can see in this article right here on the official cPanel website, we have an overview on how to get started creating a new domain. So basically guys, to create a new domain, just click the create a new domain button that's going to appear in your domain section right here. After that, a new interface will appear and you can go ahead and manage all your settings as your names, passwords, and everything that you need to use for your domain. So if you need any troubleshooting, you'll be able to find any answers right here in this article. So go ahead and find this article right here, and if you need any help, you can go ahead and contact them directly to get anything fixed. But all that you will be needing is right here in the domain section in your dashboard. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.